Hey there. Happy Tuesday morning to you. We have a cold front set to move through later today. The main story off the top is the severe weather threat doesn't look as high as it did just 2 or 3 days ago, but it does look like the winds are going to be extremely breezy today with the possibility of brush fires. A red flag warning has been issued for northwest Arkansas. The Weather Service saying winds could gust to 45 miles an hour, causing brush fires to spread rapidly. High temperatures likely fall again today. I'll show you what those look like here in just a moment. So what's going on out there now? This is a live look. That's looking towards looks like Uptown Rogers out there from probably around Bellevue, looking to the north and northwest out there at the JB Hunt Towers. Nice morning out there. The first thing you'll notice when you step outside is how warm it is. The wind stayed up last night. Temperatures were close to 70 degrees. We broke records yesterday. Did you head outside and see some of this stuff? This was Rogers yesterday evening after a record-setting day in both northwest Arkansas and Fort Smith. That plays out again today with temperatures that'll be climbing into the low and even middle 80s. Record highs yesterday were 78 in Fayetteville, 84 degrees in Fort Smith. What's wild about this is temperatures actually get cut down quite a bit as we head into the next couple of days. We're talking about a big drop going from those temperatures that we've been experiencing that have been upper 70s, low 80s, talking highs only in the 40s, morning temperatures in the 20s. It's a big, big change for us. With that change, typically there's a chance of severe weather, right? Well, the Storm Prediction Center, this is the latest outlook for today. They've shifted the whole area to the northeast, and we've been following the jet stream pattern, and most of the energy has been on the east side of the trough, which causes lifting. That's one of the reasons why this has been pushed towards the northeast. Doesn't mean we're not going to see or experience any showers or storms. I just don't think the threat is really that high for us. As far as radar goes out there, there's not much out there locally at the moment. Pull that up for you here. You can see just a little bit of ground clutter, but no showers or thunderstorms or anything like that that's going on. The cold fronts that moves through the area, it'll play out like this. Let me show you how this looks. So this is where we are this morning. There's a dry line just to our west, the cold front to the north. As we head into noon today, the dry line moves a little farther east. The cold front stretches from around Kansas City through central Kansas, so North Missouri into Kansas. By the time the evening rolls around, here comes the dry line and the front. We could see some storms develop along that dry line, and then the front finally pushes through the area overnight. Look how close those little lines are together, those isobars. That's a big drop in temperatures. That's a ton of wind. So we're going to breezy northwest winds behind these breezy south and southwest winds that we're experiencing today. And then as the high pressure builds in on Wednesday morning and then Wednesday afternoon, look at the high. It's front and center. It's right overhead. That's the good thing about that is it means we'll have sunny skies. The bad thing about that is it's going to be very, very chilly for us. This is how the radar is playing out this morning. Let me see if I can show you where some of the rain is. It's mostly out towards the east. This isn't even associated with the system that's moving in. That system's going to be farther west. It's associated with that low, and you can see the dry line here that's going to help push that front right through the area and clear things out. So what's this look like hour by hour? Let me take you to the rain, then we'll talk temperatures. This is a look at later on today. You can see the humidity increasing. This is through evening. There may be a few stray showers in central Arkansas. We're looking at about 6, 7 o'clock right now. The front, though, watch, see how it develops just along us and then to the northeast? That's the front. And this is 1 in the morning. So most of the rain showers really do miss the area as far as the convective stuff goes for thunderstorms. Now, there is some lingering rain behind it. There's even a little bit of flurries mixing in, but the storm start line is essentially over us, and then they'll move out of here. So with some luck, we'll get some storms that start, and then as they ramp up, they'll move out of the area, and it shouldn't be nearly as bad. I should point out, I don't know if they can go out far enough on this. There's another chance of rain Thursday. There it is. See these showers moving up Thursday? So during the day Thursday is going to be our next chance of rain after this. There may even be a better chance Thursday than this front that comes through with just a little ribbon of rain, and then heavier rain coming up on Thursday, probably Thursday mornings when it starts moving into the area. The other big story is the temperature trend. This is what's wild. Look at this front crashing in. So this is overnight for tonight into tomorrow morning. This is about midnight. Temperatures drop. And then when you wake up 24 hours from now, it may only be about 19 degrees. This is the apparent temperature. So this is wind chill. So a wind chill of about 19 in northwest Arkansas and a wind chill of about 29. Actual air temperatures won't be, well, they'll be warm. Won't feel like much. So 30 in northwest Arkansas and the air temperature of 39 in Fort Smith waking up on Wednesday morning. Guys, that's about 40 degrees colder than it is right now. That's a big drop in temperatures. And I think over the next couple of days, we'll hold to near or below normal and before falling back or climbing above normal over the long haul. So the big weather story today is a very small chance of storms. It's late today and overnight. Really doesn't look like a big deal at this point. Our next chance of rain Thursday We'll break record highs today. We'll also have breezy winds. That could also lead to the potential for some brush fire. So be very careful and plan ahead if you do plan on doing any burning. You can download the Oz Weather app. I'll keep you posted of any drastic changes of weather as they move in. But overall, the big story today is the warmth and the wind. And then tomorrow, it's the cold and the wind. Have a great Tuesday.